Good morning, guys. This is Lisa Alexander, boss lady doing boss lady things. I had to show you the boss lady cup. Coming to you live, throwing in a quick video on how I'm able to make money online. I know a lot of you were asking how exactly I did it, and I'm here to show you. Give me 1 second. I want to go ahead and log in to my back office just so you all know what I do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and then I will come back because I can't be showing y'all my passwords and stuff. 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, this is me in the upper right hand corner. Yes, that is me. Some of you see that from my business page on Facebook. And I just want to go to associate payments so I can show you when I made, because it was late last year that I made it. And like I said, I've just started to reorganize and get back involved with the business because I can devote the time necessary to make it as successful as I want it to be. These are the payments that they sent me faithfully. Every Friday they sent me payments. And this is just the beginning. And this is just tinkering around with it at the time. Because guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was just like you. I didn't take it seriously in the beginning. I was afraid, I was skeptical, but then at the end of the day, I'm just going to my fan page right quick. At the end of the day, what else could I lose? It was 40 little freaking dollars, $39.90. And honestly, I've been a member of the service long before I even started to explore the possibilities of making money with it. So it's safe to say that, I definitely was a person of the service. I've used the service. I've enjoyed the service. I've not had any issues. I had to have my car towed, like for my other car, because my husband has that car and I have a new car. But honestly, guys, I've had to have my husband's car towed at least 4 different times, and I was able to call MCA, get it towed, didn't have any issues, didn't have to pay any money out of pocket, I didn't have to come up with any money out of pocket or later because my benefits cover everything. It's like I'm paying 67 cents a day to be able to have unlimited towing, unlimited up to 100 miles per day. It has to be different incidences. So like today, if I have a flat tire and I need to be like towed home, I can't call them like 24 hours later and have the same exact problem. It has to be like, okay, the car won't start. Still up to 100 miles. Do you all know that 100 miles is a long distance, like 2 hours away? So you can be, and that's just that part of the benefit. Just to reiterate how valuable just that part of the benefit package is. You also get medical discounts, you get dental discounts, you get prescription discounts, big discounts. We're talking about up to like 60% off, and that's a lot. I know a lot of people are having issues with having to have insurance. Maybe they can't afford, insurance premiums and things like that, and they need something so that in case they need to go to the doctors or go to the dentist, and they can just, here, I'm part of this company, and save money. Prescription, same thing. They're able to save money. And this is just that part of yet another part of the benefits. There are so many. It's like like I said, it's $150,000 worth of benefits. And you get the opportunity to make a commission as a referral agent just because you are a member of the company. You can purchase the service and keep the service. And because I was like that, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I got to purchase the service in order to be a part of it. No, you don't have to purchase the service to be a part of it. You don't have to do the business at all if you don't want to. Guess what? You're going to have $150,000 worth of benefits for 67 cents a day. It doesn't even matter. But what company of our caliber do you know that is going to pay its members to refer people to become members? You don't know a company in existence like that right now that will do that. I'm not going to say no names, but that other company doesn't do that. All the members of that company do not get a $80 commission for just referring. Say, for instance, you refer a friend. Hey, I need some good roadside assistance. I'm changing companies, or I don't have it, or I don't want to have to pay extra through my insurance or whatever. What do you recommend? Oh, here, boom. Come join my company. You get all these benefits, blah, 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 unlimited. I was on the side of the road one day and all I had to do was boom, boom, boom. And voila, they showed up. I got to where I needed to be. I didn't have to come out of pocket. Just sign and go. And it cost me 67 cents a day to do so. Oh, and by the way, you also, just because you're a member, you get the opportunity to be able to make $80 just for referring. Like, so if you sign up now, I'll get $80 because you join the company. Who can't use an extra $80 for spending 67 cents a day? So imagine if you took it seriously and became a business. And you said, I'm going to really take this referral business to the next level. I'd be seeing people flashing cash and, blase squaze. I want to make that kind of money. I want to see how I can make that kind of money online. Well, you know what? Lisa Alexander trains you how to make that money online. You want to be like those other cats making the money? I've showed you it's possible because this company is 100% legit. They do pay every week. Literally, they pay you to refer people, and you can make money. You can make you can make as little as you want. You make as little as $80 a week if you want, just some extra cute little part-time money. You can make, the sky's the limit. People are making so much money with this company. And it is a service. It is a service that everybody needs. Why? You don't have to worry about, there being exhaustion of customers, because as long as there is a vehicle on the road, which obviously is not going to stop anytime soon, guess what? You'll always have customers because people are continuing to make money left and right because they're taking it seriously. So if you want to know more about how to make money with this company that I work with and have been with for the past 4 years, go ahead and like or react to this video, share this video with somebody that you know might be interested, and send me, drop a comment below, say I'm ready, I want to get busy. This is my website. I teach you how to brand yourself. I teach you how to get your own branding together. That's a part of the process of building a business that you can be proud of, that will allow you to make money from home. I do this all from, this is one of an associate that I work with, one of many. The possibilities are endless. Hold on, get out of that. The possibilities are endless. And I teach you how to do what I do. I do this from the convenience of my home. I work on my laptop. If I'm out, I can work from my cell phone, my smartphone. I don't clock in and out to a 9 to 5. I work for myself. I have this company I run. I work as a referral agent with this company, and I also have my own design business. So I don't have to worry about, the morning commutes to and from work anymore. I don't have to worry about struggling and, oh, I don't feel like going to work today, but if I don't go to work, I'm going to get fired, anything. I don't have to worry about all of that because I work from home. And I know a lot of I've had people come to me, God, I wish I could do something from home. I wish I could make money from home. I'm really tired. I've been working many years and I don't make that much. And I want to be more available to my kids. I want to be more available to my spouse, my significant other. And here's the opportunity, guys. Come work with Lisa Alexander, and I fully train you. Get full free training. I show you how to get a free website, and I show you where to go to learn how to build it. It's not even anything earth-shattering. You don't have to worry about having to pay a whole bunch of money up front to build a website or anything like that. But we can get you well on your way to making your first $1,000. Some people make $3,000, $4,000 their first week. Some people make it in 6 months. It's all up to you and what you put into it. If you devote the necessary effort to make this work, you can make it work. You've seen people, those people you see that are showing you their back office that have made thousands of dollars, they really did. That company really did. Our company really did pay them that money. I don't care if it's the first 80. I don't care if it's thousands. If they showed you their back office, they made that money. I'm telling you. And I showed you my back office. This company pays. This company is legit. It is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. And that was a big deal at one point because they were like, oh, well, it doesn't matter. But guess what? They're with the Better Business Bureau. They're A+ rated. That's all I needed. They cut me a check. That's all I needed. So, like I said, like this video, share this video, comment below, hit info, Lisa Alexander Works. Go to my business page, and I'll talk to you guys soon.